Hey people, what's up? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm David and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be speaking about the maximized conversions bidding strategy, which is the second automated bidding strategy that we're talking about. The first was maximize clicks and the link to that video is present in the corner up there. For those who are interested in digital advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads and a lot more, I urge you guys to go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I have a lot more content coming your way. Let's go ahead and learn some Google Ads. Let's start with what is the maximize conversions bidding strategy. So in this bidding strategy, Google takes your entire daily budget and tries to get the most amount of conversions from it as possible. For example, if you have a campaign in which your daily budget is set to rupees 500, then Google will take that entire rupees 500 and try to get the most amount of conversions for it. The next step in the process is to learn how to set your campaigns to the maximized conversion bidding strategy. Let's go ahead and dive into the Google Ads interface and learn how to do it. Here in front of us, we have a test campaign that we have previously created. Let's go ahead and check how we can switch this campaign over to the maximize conversions bidding strategy. So when you're in the campaign, head over to the campaign level settings, and in the settings under bidding, you can see that it's currently set to the maximize clicks bidding strategy. In order to change it over to the maximize conversion bidding strategy, when you click in, just go ahead and click the change bid strategy. So Google first gives you a guidance. If you want to use the guidance, all you need to do is click on this option and select conversions and hit save. And you will have your campaign set to the maximize conversions bidding strategy. But if you want to do it manually, you can just click on select a bid strategy directly and go ahead and select maximize conversions. Now you get the option to set a target cost per action. And we will look at this in the next video. However, right now we don't want to set any target cost per action. So we're just going to hit save. And that's it. Your campaign is now set to the maximize conversions bidding strategy. Let's go ahead and understand the pros and cons of the maximize conversions bidding strategy in order to be able to better optimize our campaigns while using this bidding strategy. These are the pros and cons of the maximize conversions bidding strategy. Let's go ahead and dive into the pros of this bidding strategy. So this bidding strategy helps to drive higher conversion volumes within the same daily budget. Now let's assume that you have a manual CPC bidding strategy campaign and that campaign is completely optimized. You have your best performing keywords and your best performing ad copy and it's generating a good amount of conversions. Now you want to try to milk this campaign to get the most amount of conversions for it. That's when you can go ahead and switch over to the maximize conversions bidding strategy. And within the same daily budget, over a period of time, you will start to see that there are higher conversion volumes from all the same data. There is a clear indicator leading back to your funnel, unlike maximize clicks. So in maximize clicks, Google tries to optimize to get the most amount of clicks for you. However, the value provided by those clicks is not detailed in that bidding strategy, which is not the case where maximize conversions are concerned. It optimizes towards an action that you have set for, which action would be important for your sales funnel or your marketing funnel. There is little to no maintenance required. Given that it's an automated bidding strategy, there is not much maintenance required where this is concerned because Google machine learning does a lot of your work for you. Let's go over to the cons of this bidding strategy. In this bidding strategy, it tries to spend out the entire daily budget every day to be able to get the most amount of conversions for you. All conversions are treated as equal. So if there are some businesses like e-commerce platforms where add to cart has a different value and a conversion has a different value, then I wouldn't recommend using this bidding strategy. In this bidding strategy, there is no control over CPC whatsoever. So if you have budget constraints, I wouldn't recommend using this bidding strategy as well. There is no control over the target cost per action. And in this particular scenario, since we haven't set any target cost per action, we don't get any control over this feature. We will have a look at this once again in the next video when we discuss the target cost per action as well. Let's now discuss certain best cases where we can use the maximize conversions bidding strategy where it can be profitable for us. These are certain situations in which you can use the maximize conversions bidding strategy. So the first is when the focus of your campaign is towards particular action or actions on your website. So let's say you have a certain action or multiple actions that you want to track, then maximize conversions can be a good bidding strategy for you to use because it will try to maximize the results and maximize the number of those actions being taken on your website, which will be profitable for your business. When you have more than 30 conversions in the last month, so any automated bidding strategy needs at least 30 conversions per month to be able to understand the data and optimize accordingly. So if you do not have 30 conversions in the last month or 30 conversions per month, I wouldn't recommend using this bidding strategy to try and drive more lead volume for already optimized profitable campaigns. So that's what we had discussed before. When you have a campaign on manual CPC or enhanced CPC or any other bidding strategy and it is already profitable and it is already generating a good number of leads or good number of actions for you, then to be able to milk it and get the most out of it, you can use maximized conversions and it will definitely help you out there. So that was about the maximize conversions bidding strategy. And if you guys have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely get back to you about it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. The next video is going to be about maximize conversions itself along with target cost per action. Stay tuned to that video. This is it for today. Goodbye until next time.